Israeli army injures 6 Palestinians in West Bank. Israeli students gather in Ramallah to protest Israeli attacks. Oman pardons 332 prisoners including foreigners. November 18th, Oman celebrates its National Day. Erdogan says disrespectful to define why PG has Kurds. Turkish president says Syrian offshoot of PKK terror group shall not be confused with Kurds. Russian airstrike killed 9 civilians in Idlib, Syria. Also 10 injured in airstrike in de-escalation zones in northwestern Syria, violating terms of ceasefire. Iranian policemen killed in clashes amid fuel protest. Protesters broke out across Iran against government decision to hike fuel prices. Saudi Arabia Aramco sets IPO share price $8 to $8.53. Saudi oil giant puts preliminary evaluation between $1.6 trillion to $1.71 trillion. Verdict on deposed Sudan's president set for December. Omar al-Bashir faces charges of corruption and possession of foreign currency and receiving gift illegally. China demands forces shows no mercy to Uyghur, report. New York Times revealed internal Chinese document which shows country policy on ethnic minorities. Malaysia condemns Israeli attack in Gaza Strip. Malaysian Foreign Ministry urged global community to work to end illegal Israeli occupation. Court's decision must not reflect Rohingya genocide survivors. Global Wheel of Justice begins to turn Rohingyas and Myanmar victim of genocide. Afghanistan recount in key presidential posts resumes. Abdullah rival to incumbent President Ashraf Ghani boycotted process of recount amid allegations. Bangladesh gas pipeline blast kills 7, injures 25. Death toll may rise as some injured in explosion are in critical condition, says police.